Hello students, let us try to understand the meaning of reaction mechanism, friends. Okay, what is meaning of reaction mechanism? So when you talk about reaction mechanism, students, so it is step by step, no, step by step process of what student process of step by step process of breaking of old bond in reactant. Okay, this is what the meaning is, student, in reactants, and formation of what and formation of new bond. Okay, new bond in product, new bond in product, where student in product is known as what, student, in product is known as reaction mechanism, known as reaction mechanism. That is what the meaning is, student, reaction mechanism. Now that is, if you talk about the reaction mechanism, so how the bond is getting break, friend. Okay, then we have to see that is it is the step by step process of breaking of old bond in reactant and formation of new bond is product is known as reaction mechanism. Let us try to understand this with the help of example, student. Suppose, dear friend, I am having that is C, here is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, and here is Cl is there. I am attacking this compound with OH group. So what will happen, friend? Once you are attacking this, so that is this is going to attack on what position? That is carbon position. Okay. So friend, what is happening? See here, that is one intermediate is going to form. So OH is going to make bond with what? Dotted line I am making, because the new bond is going to be formed, student. Right. And which bond is going to break, friend? This bond is going to break. So that is also going to be, I know, this is the dotted line. So one is going to form OHC bond form, and CCl is break. I know, this is the step of the started breaking, student, and this is started forming. Okay, this bond is started forming. This is going to form, and this is going to what, friend? That is break. Right. This is what is known as, student, TS. TS means transition state. Okay. This is what is known as transition state. There is one new more name is there, student. That is what is known as intermediate state. Here I am writing that is what, student, intermediate state. Intermediate state. You know, this is step or state. That is whatever you want to write. So, dear friends, you might be knowing this one. That is OH group is attacking on this one carbon. So that is what intermediate form. Now it is the slow step. This is going to be very slow, and that is what is also known as RDS, rate determining step. And then it is finally it's very fast. This is going to be very fast. So in the very fast step, what is going to happen, friend? What is going to happen? So this bond is completely going to break, and this bond is completely going to form. So that is what the compound is being formed here. Let us try to understand the compound. So here is OH is formed, here is C, this side H, this side H, and this side what is H. So this is what is the new bond, this is what is the product, and what is left out? Plus, that is Cl minus. So this is what is product is formed. This all the steps is what is known as reaction mechanism, friend. So let us try to read out the slides, student. What is there in the slide? So an organic reaction mechanism is complete step-by-step account of how reaction of organic compound takes place. That you got to understand in the reaction. A common method for showing the progress of reaction is potential energy diagram, okay, which plots the energy, the free energy of the system function of the compound of the reaction. Let us try to see the potential energy diagram, right? So here you see they have made the energy diagram. So this is what is the reactant, friend. This is reactant and attacking reagent. So that is they are forming, that is intermediate step here they form intermediate. And what is the here you see that is in the bottom, what is that is this is going to be product. So this is the energy, increasing the energy. It means what is this meaning, student? I hope it will be. Let us try to understand. So here is student, suppose H, H is there. Then wait, I'm writing. because it will go here. Suppose I am having this with the energy graph. This is the energy. Energy is going up, student, not going down. This is the energy graph we are writing. And when you are energy means it is increasing away. Now you see. So that is firstly we are having that is OH minus is there, and what is there, students? You can write here this way the reactant I am writing. So here is what is H, here is CH, here is what is that is again going to be Cl, and here is H. So that is what reagent. Now this energy is less. Now here the transition state energy will be more. See student. So how the transition state here is there. So that is where the transition state minus OH minus going to be form the bond here. See this side is going to be break. Upside that is hydrogen. Here is hydrogen. Here is hydrogen. This is transition state student or the intermediate state, right? More energy. And finally what will happen student, that is OHC, here is going to be H, this is H, this is H, and here is what, Cl minus. This is going to be product. So the reactant and product is having less energy student. Reactant and product is having less energy. But if you talk about the intermediate state, it is having what student? It is having the more energy, friends. So this is what the complete reaction mechanism, friend. I hope this will be helpful to you to understand. Thank you very much for watching, friends.